In this video for the Beacon Hill Dollhouse construction, I'm going to go over sections L and M, horizontal and vertical exterior trim, and wall corners. I first prepared the trim pieces by painting with the primer, then followed up with the semi-gloss white. As with working with other small pieces, I first laid these over strips of masking tape before painting. This allows me to move the pieces around with the masking tape ends while painting. The wideband pieces are first installed next to the mansard roof overhangs. The tower roof was not glued down, so I first sat the roof into position above the tower, then butted the wideband pieces flush to the tower roof overhang. This helps to diminish the gaps since I plan to leave the tower roof detachable. Since there are a number of similar looking vertical pieces, I first tacked these into place with tape, then made adjustments by sanding the ends if needed. Some of the pieces were shorter than expected, so these were installed in ways that minimized the noticeable gap. The bay window horizontal trim and remaining vertical trims were then installed. For section M, the corner trim pieces were removed and prepared. These were installed at the intersections of the horizontal and vertical trim pieces. Additionally, I later fashioned an extra vertical and corner piece that was installed on the left side of the tower. The kit did not come with these pieces, but after looking at this for some time, I decided I wanted this to complement the other trim pieces. Also, prior to installing the trim, electrical tape was applied to the exterior of the house. I chose to run the tape wire on the exterior since I knew this was going to be covered by siding. I will discuss the electrical lighting in another video. Thanks for watching.